Where in Chico can you find a sparkling pool, bonus space, RV parking, and solar? Here, come on, I'll show you. Hi, this is Derek Sanderson with eXp Realty. Welcome to 1081 East Lindo Avenue, where this 3-bedroom, 1-bath home is situated on 1/3 of an acre and is the perfect blend of Chico Charm and Backyard Oasis. Real estate is all about location, 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 and this home hits the bullseye. You're just a short walk to Neil Dow Elementary, or grab a drink at Coffee Ranch on your way home from working out at In Motion Fitness. And not to mention, you're only a 5-minute drive from North Valley Plaza, where you have places like the Poorhouse, Mod Pizza, Trader Joe's, or catch the latest flick at Tinseltown. Chico is a bike-friendly community, and with Bikeway 99 a stone's throw away, you have a short bike ride to the crown jewel of Chico, Bidwell Park. So the question you should be asking yourself is that with a backyard like this, will you ever want to leave? From the sparkling pool, climate-controlled pool house, custom pergola, raised garden beds, and a plethora of fruit trees like apple, peach, nectarine, and cherry, just to name a few, your friends and family may never want to leave either. Just imagine, whether it's hanging out around the pool during those hot Chico summers or sitting around a fire pit on a cool, crisp night with friends, this backyard is perfect all year long. Saving one of the best things for last is this bonus room, coming in at just over 320 square feet of climate-controlled bliss. It could be your home office, home gym, art studio, or even for homeschooling. Honestly, the possibilities are endless. And if you're interested in 1081 East Lindo Avenue, or have questions or want to set up a private tour, go ahead and reach out to me right here. I'm Derek Sanderson with eXp Realty, and it's my passion to help educate, equip, and empower you to achieve your dream.